Okay, good morning everyone. This is February 21, 2016. What we're getting ready to do this morning is we're going to go ahead and run the sponges from 125 pounds of ore that we processed all week long. And and this is ore that came from the Caballos. We had our little 23 gram one XRF'd, and it came out to be less than 1% gold, 1% silver, and the majority of the bar was rhodium and platinum. So it looks like what we're drilling through right now is a platinate ore body, and it's rather big. Right now we're at 112 feet and we're drilling to this probably won't make any sense to you, but we're actually drilling in a southerly direction, and we're drilling through the middle of a platinate rock. And I know that may be hard to sound, but for people to imagine, but one day we'll take you up, we'll film that part of it and show you what the rock looks like. And it's huge, and we know from the surface to where we're at right now, it's over 112 feet deep, and in some areas it's 20 foot wide. So, and how we happen to come across this is on our claim in the Caballo Mountains, is that many years ago I was on the east side of the Caballos, and I chased a platinate vein for 2 miles, and it came out in, as far as the Caballo Mountains are concerned, up by where Bat Cave is. And then from Bat Cave, it came in a northwesterly trek across a lot of other property and everything else, and ends on my claim. We have a very large platinate ore body there, and that's what we're drilling into, and that's probably why we're not getting any silver. But we have gotten copper, we have gotten gold, and we have gotten platinum and rhodium. So what we're going to do this morning is we're going to go ahead and I'll take you into the shop, and we're going to show you the sponge, the dried sponge that we got from 125 pounds this week using H2O2 and hydrochloric acid. I think you'll find it very interesting. We're actually getting better yields, and because of this we're going to be able to start producing gold bars, 1 or 2 ounce bars, every week, and or even more depending on the ore. So but at 125 pounds we're going to see today just exactly what we're going to get out of 125 pounds. So that's it for right now, and I'll take this out to the shop. Thank you very much. Okay, here we are back in the shop. This is the sponge that came off of 125 pounds of ore, and as you can see it is 93.33 grams. Now I'm going to flip through this and we're going to see what it is in ounces. And we've got 3.2921 ounces of sponge. Now hopefully we'll get half of this into a bar. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it into the furnace, and then we're going to be filming that part of it here in just a couple minutes. Thank you. All right, this is the sponges in with some gold and silver bullion flux, which should make it pour a lot easier. And so we're getting ready to turn the furnace on. Okay, thanks, bye. All right, as you can see, we have turned it on. When it gets to 2100 degrees, we will be taking it out. Just so you can see, the temperature is still going up. And like I said, when it we'll stir it around 2,000 degrees, and then let it tap it, and then let it go on up to 2,100, and then we'll pour it off into a cone mold, and then you'll be able to see that as well. All right, thank you. Bye. As you can see, the temperature is still climbing. So that's where we're sitting at the moment. We're just waiting for this to get done so as we can pour it into the cone mold. All right, we're at 2,000 degrees. I'm going to be stirring it up here in a minute and seeing what's happening inside there. But as soon as it gets to 2,100, we will be pouring it off. Goodbye. Okay, we're getting ready to take it out of the furnace and pour it. It's at 2085. So we're going to spray some quick release in this so that we can see what we're doing, what we're coming up with. And so I'm in the process of pulling it out now and taking it over there and seeing what we got. So as you can see, there it is in the mold, and we're going to be, as soon as it gets cool enough, we're going to be taking it out. So, all right. Before we drop this in the water, this is the button. This is what it looks like, and we're going to kind of turn it a little bit so you can see it before we actually drop it into the water. You can see what's going on here. It's a nice, good sized button, and kind of big, but that's what it looks like. See? So we're going to go ahead and put it into the water and see if we can get it to break off. Okay, we're letting it cool. See if that's lined up so you'll be able to see it. And let me all right, let me see what we got here, and see about pulling it out so as we can see it. Getting to be difficult to get out. Well, as you can see, it's broke off the button. So this is going to go over here, and we're going to pull the button out. Let me see where it is. This is distilled water, so it shouldn't be a problem. All right. That's the button that we just pulled out of there. Let me see what it... As you can see, that is the button. So we're going to set this up, take it over to the scale, and measure it. Well, this is the two buttons here. Well, let me get it turned back on. The camera turned off on me. So this is the two buttons. This one came out of 90 pounds, and this one came out of 125 pounds. So 61.20 grams. Now, the two of them sitting there like that, on ounces, came to 2.1587 ounces. On troy, 1.9676. Now we're going to join the two and make them one button and see what we got. Okay? We'll let you know here soon. Bye. Okay guys, after we combined the two bars, they came out to 55.35 grams. And that's what it came out after they were combined. So we're going to try and get you a close-up. And you can see there's platinates in it, and there is gold. So it's pretty fine looking as far as the bar goes, but that's what it is. So anyway, 55.35. So that's where we're sitting. Okay, bye. All right, this is the button out in the sunlight. Looks pretty damn good. So anyway, it's almost 2 ounces. That came out of about 200 pounds. So that would mean that we're running close to 20 ounces per ton. So anyway, that's where we are. Bye.